I wanted it to have play features. For example, I'm in the process of wiring up some weapons lighting
Ah,
that will also have sound effects added as well.
awesome, man. That
So
looks like a really
stops.
elaborate toy.
Yeah.
How did
I
you
love
figure out
toys.
the wiring and the lighting? Did you work on some things like that beforehand, or is it everything just like learned it yourself?
I very much learned it myself. I did some custom work on some other Star Trek toys down through the years, um, and it's just sort of bungling my way through and figuring out what works and what doesn't work. And a lot of cases, banging my head against the wall, going, "Why isn't this
Mm.
working?" Until I figure out, oh, well, the solder didn't melt properly, and so the contact has been lost there, and that kind
Ah.
of thing. But yeah, I mean, this is I'm missing a microchip actually, but I have a couple of chips in there. I wanted some lights to blink. I've lost some
Mm.
buttons now. I'll have to pick them up. But so yeah, I went sourcing them from the internet and just looking up guides on YouTube as to how to work with them.
Yeah, that's how I would approach it. Like, I think it will take me too much time to figure all that stuff out, and I'll probably go to a bunch of tutorials on
Yeah,
everything. Like,
yeah, that's really all there is to it. The internet is such an incredible resource. I mean, not only for learning things, but if you have a 3D printer, you can go to the likes of Thingiverse, or I can't think of the other website names, but just search for like 3D model of whatever you want,
mhm.
and you can generally, among the first results, even if you don't search for a printable model, there will be a printable model available. So many of the items that I have printed for people have just been stuff that they have found on those sites and they needed printed. And
Mm-hmm.
so I would just go ahead and do that for them.
Mm-hmm.
And indeed, the case that I was talking about, my friend who needed the cosplay item, he found that model on a site purporting to be this item. But when I looked at the model and the reference, there was just too much of a disparity there. And my need for accuracy, the same as I have with the ship, would not allow me to print that item for him without doing a better job on it.
Awesome. Sounds like a really, really great hobby, man. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see the full version, go to the Uncle Gold Podcast YouTube channel or watch the next clip.